welcome to Starvation Hot Rod Garage. So this is going to be part one of our budget Foxbody project. I had filmed another video that had a description of the car and what all was done to it. Unfortunately, I had some audio issues, so it wasn't usable. So I put this together just to show you the car and what we're starting with. The car looks pretty rough, but overall it's pretty solid. Underneath, torque boxes, shock towers, floor pans, and everything are pretty nice in it. Interior looks about like the rest of the car. So our plans for over the winter are to redo the interior and get started on paint and body. We've already done the drivetrain and suspension, so in the next videos we'll go over all the details of that. But for now, I think we're just going to go out for a test drive and see how things go. Alright, we're going to attempt to go for a ride. I forgot my windshield mount, so I used another one that I have that is not so good, and some zip ties, and try to make it work. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, just letting it warm up a little bit. Get a little bit of heat in it before we go. Thanks for watching. If you like these kind of videos, like and subscribe. If Fox bodies aren't your thing, we have a variety of other projects you might be interested in.